Welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to download and merge the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey data. What if I told you that National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey is not just a data set? It is a complex, multi-stage, national representative survey, and if you are not treating it like one, your analysis will be completely off. So that's the fact. Now, in today's video, I will show you why National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey requires special handling, especially when it comes to weights, strata, and the primary sampling unit, and how to apply them correctly in this data. So before we went back on to our STATA, kindly consider to subscribe if you are a new if you are a new member. And for my existing subscribers, thank you for your support. And always, if comment, like, share, and if there's any consultation that you need, my email is everywhere in the comment section. Kindly reach me out. So I'm going to use the Rust syntax or the Rust do file, but this time I'm going to bring in the BMI data, and in this tutorial or in this session we'll be working with 3 cycles, that is from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, and 2017, 2018. So allow me to now assume that you have watched my previous videos, so you know how to match all this type of data. So allow me just to highlight everything and execute. Up to that point and execute. Then I'll merge this data like that, so you'll be able to see. And now you're going to be able to see I have 80 variables and 29,400 observations. Good. So the next step is we need to do this survey weights, and we'll focus on the importance of survey weighting, the key variables that we need to consider, and how to declare this survey sign in STATA using the survey set. So what you need to do in this survey, there are key important variables. So I'm not going to use all of these 8 variables. So what I need to do is I'll just take gender, age, and I go to BMI. BMI is somewhere here. Let me check this BMI. Yeah, it's here. Then I key in now for this survey weights. So there are key important variables. So I have this variable, that one, and that one. We need to only this. Come here. Just say keep. I highlight and execute. So it means now we have reduced these variables, you can see here, from 8 to 7 of them. And now, as my thumbnail reads, when do we use this when do we use this variable and this variable? First of all, this variable here, you can see WT stands for weight. This INT is just for interview, 2-year period. This one is weight. MEC stands for Mobile Examination Center, 2-year period. So that's the difference. And when do we use it? Number one, for the interview one, we use it when we are dealing with household questionnaire variables only. Something like demographics, we are dealing with household income, we are dealing with smoking history, and so on. So we use the interview one. But if you are dealing with the examination data, lab data, or the combination of this, e.g., with cholesterol, glucose from the lab results, examination data like BMI, blood pressure, or the combinations, we use the mobile examination center variable. So, but in most cases, if you are dealing with, in most health outcome studies, you end up using the weight mobile examination center variable. But in my next video, we'll be able to run, because we normally have 2-year and 4-year in our data, we'll be able to run when to use 2-year and when to use 3-year. But in this case, I can say that 2-year, this means that you are dealing with a single cycle. Let us say, for instance, 2013, 2014. That is 2 years, but we call it a one cycle. So in that case, if you are dealing with the one cycle and you want to nationally represent your data, then you go with this variable direct. But a scenario whereby you are working with 3, 5, 7, and so on, this national health and this kind of database does not provide such kind of variable to use in that case. So what you do, you just create, you do the averaging depending on the number of cycles you are using. So like in this case, we are using 3 cycles. Hope you understand that. So what I'll do, I'll have to generate a new variable. I can just call it weight 3-year period. Since we are dealing with 3 years, then is equals to, now this will be equal to this divided by 3 cycles, like that. You divide by 3. So it means now you'll be able to have a variable that now can be used across the 3 cycles. Perfect. After that, we just go direct to setting our survey. So SVY stands for survey set. Then we start with the population weight. So the variables are there in the data. So for population weight, we'll go with this that you have just created here earlier. So you put it there like that, comma. Now for the strata this here. So anything that's strata, you can see just there, copy that, paste it here, close that. Then for primary sampling unit, so for the primary sampling unit, PSU, so it is here as well, primary sampling unit, copy that, paste it there like that, followed by, now there's this, we need to single unit this data, though this is optional, but it's good you have it. So by default, let us take the standard like that, and we are done. So if you highlight this and execute, sorry, BSU, yes, there's an error somewhere. Let me see. Default option, BSU. Let me see, we have made a mistake. So population weight, we have it there. Then sorry, it's here. I think this we have made a mistake. So we need to move that. Yeah. And now I can execute this. Good. And now you can see that it has successfully executed that. And we are ready to go. So it means at that point you can save your data as a nationally. You can just save it as national. Let's save it national. NES 2013 2018 .dta. So it's a national represented data now. So if you want to test that, we can just do a simple descriptive statistic. We can just have a mean. So it means when you are now dealing with the survey data, if you want to find the mean, regression, and so on, you must use the survey command because you are dealing with survey data. So I can just say mean of age, bring in the age, copy, paste it here. Age, where is BMI? So I just want to show you how this data has been represented nationally. Like that, I can do it over gender, male and female, where Male is represented by 1, female represented by 2. Like that. Then I can include the coefficient region so they can be able to estimate the standard deviation. Because this one will only give me the mean. Use just a moment. SVY mean. So not SYV, it is SVY survey. Sorry for these errors. Yeah, you see now I'm able to have the mean of age, BMI against male and female, and if I have need the standard deviation, I'll be execute the second one now. I'll be able to have mean and standard deviation for male and female. But what I wanted to show you is this. Look at this. The number of observation is 27,155, but now the population size, you can see it is 304,772,371. Remember this national health and nutrition health survey is actually mostly from the United States. So once we do this survey design, then we are confident that this data is nationally represented, and now we can be able to use in our study confidently. So at this point, we have done we have represented that data, and that's what I wanted you to run today, and that is it. So if you find this video helpful or resourceful, kindly consider to subscribe, share this video, like also the channel, share to friends, comment, and if you are willing to support the channel, you are welcome to do so. So in our next video, I'll show you how to work with subsample weights or focus on a specific health conditions using the same data. Thank you. See you next time.